Welcome to Sebby's Curly Adventures!
Say hi, kids.
Go.
Can you do another car, Sebastian?
Yes, I'll do the school one from at the beach.
Okay. Oh, a little water from the rain, but that's okay.
Yeah, because it won't spill out.
Sebby, where are we here?
We're out in my room.
In your room?
Yes.
We're in the backyard. Okay, one. Whoa! Here's the water that splattered. Do you want to do another car?
Yes. I'll do this teeny tiny monster truck.
Okay. Oh! It got released so fast.
What can I try now?
Ooh, I have an idea. You have a big car over here. Come on, follow mommy. This big, humongous car.
Well, maybe I can't fit.
Let's see.
Look at wheels don't fit in.
Oh, that is too big, isn't it? What about sideways? Push it. Yes. Whoa! That was crazy. Okay. Was the Jeep hiding there?
Yeah, the Jeep was hiding there because I've gotten trying to. But you can't press the button anymore.
I think the rain destroyed it, didn't it?
Yeah, so let me slide it on the track.
Okay.
No!
Whoa, it did a flip. Did you see that?
You let out the crazy slip.
Did it?
Try on it when you do the camera.
Okay.
Ready, steady, go! Ready, go!
Oh, multiple flips. How many flips did it do?
It just did like 100 of them.
My goodness.
Let me try that again. Ready, go!
Whoa, kids.
It standed up sideways and then it fell.
It did, didn't it?
Like this and then it just crashed.
Uh-huh.
Look.
Hey, do you want to tell the kids how you do the hula hooping?
Yeah, let me go get it.
Okay. Careful.
All the way over there. See, can I take a picture and see?
Mm-hmm. I'm
No,
showing
a
it to the
selfie,
kids.
A selfie, a
Yep,
selfie.
go get it. I'm showing it to the kids. Okay, kids. Sebby's gonna go get
No,
the.
a selfie.
Sebby's gonna go get the hula hooping.
No, a selfie now.
Okay. Yay!
Can I see that video?
Yes! Come on over here. Show the kids how to hula. There you go. How do you hula?
You just put the hand behind like this, and then you just hula it.
You just hula it?
Yeah, because I can't do it because it's breakable. Look,
It is breakable? What color is this hula hoop in?
it's green.
Yeah.
So can you try?
Do you want Mama to try?
Yeah, because I'm not.
Let mommy show you. You actually do it from the back. Okay?
This?
Yep. 1, 2, and now release. Yep. And shake your body. Yeah, there you go. Woohoo! You did it! Did you see that? Yep.
No.
Oh no, it went backwards.
You said no.
Wow. You have to push it harder.
You said no.
Whoa!
You said no. What?
Oh no!
Ready? Ready? Good. Let me try it like this. Just ready? Go! Ready? Go! Ready? Steady? Go! Ready? Steady? Go!
Oh, it made it! Whoa, it made it! Hey kids, look what happened to our pumpkin. It was a Halloween pumpkin, and now look what happened. It like melted away from the rain and the cold and the snow. Crazy, huh? Pumpkin transformation. Try it again.
Try that again.
almost fell on the pumpkin.
Yeah, because it almost crunched it.
It almost crunched the pumpkin. Now, ready, steady, go. Okay, you have to follow it. Walk with it. Walk with it. Oh, it's gonna go in the grass. Ooh, okay, straighten it up. Whoa, Seb.
We're in the grass now.
Oh my goodness, Sebby. Ah! Sebastian.
It went down to this house.
Come over, come back.
Let me move it back up.
Oh, it's gonna go back.
Go back down.
Ah, it's gonna come back. Ah! Oh, careful. Your hat is falling. Whoa. How about our driveway?
Move it back there.
Okay, your hat fell. Did Mama to hold it? Oh my.
I just backed away from me. Move out of the grass.
Oh, keeps going back. Oh. What happened to it?